Topdon V2200 Plus. This is a jump starter. I'm going to unbox it and I will check what is inside the box and what you can get for your money and which situation can be really useful, helpful when you are a car enthusiast. So let's see what's inside the box when you buy a Topdon V2200 Plus. You will find a nice hard case. I really like it because if you have all the accessories in the trunk, they are mostly everywhere, and this one is a nice organization of it. Actually, it's most of the competitors has no option even to have a hard case, and if they have, it costs extra money. So it's a really nice thing. This new Chinese brand is actually offering this one. Once you open it, you will have a welcome card with a short description, instruction, how you use these items. Of course, it has a little more instruction in the little booklet. In front of there is a QR code, so you can download the app for the tester from the Apple Store and the Google Play. It has the clips plus the communication device. I really like the option. It has a boost button on it. That's why I picked this model, because if your battery is completely dead, you don't have to wait to charge a little bit your battery and then you start your engine. Or if you have a hybrid car like I have, the Lexus, once you use this one and you push the boost button, this gives the high peak is 2200 ampere, so immediately starts the engine. You don't have to wait, which is a nice option. Also, it has a charging cable, the USB-C cable, plus the jump starter itself with all the info in the back. And of course, it looks like this. On the top, you see the full or how charged is your battery or power bank, because this is a power bank as well. Also a light. When you need it, you can charge on USB-C or 12 volts from the cigarette charger, and also it has two USB option outlet for charging anything what you want, even a laptop you can do. It has an IP65 protection rating, so it's completely dust tight and also water resistance. So in the rain, actually you can use it, because most of the time when you are in trouble, you are in a dark garage or somewhere outside, cold, dark and mostly raining. That's Murphy rules. Everything what should happen, that will happen. It has a 2200 ampere high peak, so you can start an engine up till 8-liter gasoline, normal gasoline engine, and 6 or 6.5-liter diesel engine. So it's a very nice option if you have this one in your trunk, not just for yourself. Even if you're on the road and you see someone in trouble, then maybe you can help with this one. So this is not a promoted video. I paid for this product and I just want to share my experience. I bought it in Alza in Hungary. I will put the link in the description. Maybe if you find this product very impressive and you need it, then you can order it, or in your country. I just really like this product because it has a tester, and the tester also just let you know when your battery completely dead and needs to be changed, or just was out of the power and needs a recharge. Alza is about 3 blocks away from me, so when I ordered this item, it was like 2 hours later I could pick it up by myself, which was a big help when my battery was dying in the car. So in 2 hours later I was on the way. So it's actually very good, and this is my experience. I really like it. Topdon is a fairly new brand, established in 2017 in China, Shenzhen. It makes a very professional equipment for pro car mechanics, but also a simple car enthusiast like me. They absolutely let the people have these equipments, and I am very happy I found this one. So this was a short video about my experience. I just want to let you know, guys, what you can get for your money, what is this product is for. And if you have any experience with this exact model or any other one, use the comment section, share your experience. If you like the video, push a like button, follow us, subscribe to our channel, and have a nice day.